Cabbage I go fix, Belmont Road I go fix, Seconds Road I go fix, Orange I go fix, Morgan Road I go fix, Nike Road I go fix, Tafasa I go fix, we are ready to some road, from some work from Penance to Frankfield. And soon and very soon, we're going to do some work from Frankfield to Spalding. And soon and very soon, we're going to do some work from Victoria to Cromwell. The people of Jamaica elected their government to serve them. They elected their government to bring them fruits of their labor. And Andrew Wallace and his cabinet is bringing the fruits of the people's labor to the people of Northwest Clarendon. The people of Northwest Clarendon can be assured that in Warren Newby, you have a leader who has a track record of performance, a leader who has sacrificed himself to lift people up from poverty, to educate young people, and to work with his country and his party to build a better Jamaica.
JLP candidates, Gary Williams, and other members of the Jamaican Labour Party. JLP candidates, Gary Williams, and other members of the Jamaican Labour Party. Stand up for your rights when you hear the bell. Stand up for justice, hear the freedom bell. Remember what's the humanity deserve you well. Stand up to Jamaicans when you hear.
One show a team, why your friends with them? Mama D can see longer than vicious. Yeah, go. We ain't see me saying Mama D. I would have shower.
Oh, Mama that, I will say green. Lucky, all we eyeball no green, now we take them green.
See that?
So some boy, for sure what we mean. No boy can free ambitious. Remember me told them that. One love, labor right. Sure. Said that.
Right?
Big up yourself, Mr. Simit. I win without no limit.
One
My East Portland family, I hear the talk about things are being done because election is coming. Everybody knows that election is every 5 years. And let me tell you something, you elected me for the 5 years. And I'm going to work up until the last day when election is called. And I'll be getting right back to work when I'm re-elected to continue the work so that we can have shared prosperity for all. Choose Jamaica.
Prime Minister, and the next Prime Minister, and the next Prime Minister, the one, Dr. the most West Rural, give the Prime Minister, the leader of the party, and West Rural, welcome. Legal rights, let me hear
Good representatives. But I want to also say that all of you gathered here as supporters of the Jamaica Labour Party, you have told me that you want to see good representatives. And as your leader,
I want you to know that I have received the message. And I also want you to know that I didn't get the message in my ears and sit on it. We get the message and we are acting on it. The Jamaica Labour Party has put in place a program where we have started to call in all our MPs that we have assessed. And we have said to them, you need to perform better in this area. You are doing good in this area, but here is where we think you need to come up with some new ideas. Because in any organization, after any period of time of holding authority, sometimes people become complacent. We have done too much. We have achieved so many things that previous administrations have never even dreamt of being able to do. For us to become careless with our politics. So, I know it is not the most popular message with some people, but it is a message that has to be said, and it has to be said right here on our platform, because it is indeed a concern for our people. I like what Deputy Secretary of the Jamaica Labour Party, Andrew Wheatley, said, that before your very eyes, the politics of Jamaica has been transformed. And you know which party has transformed it? It is the Jamaica Labour Party that has transformed the politics of this country.
And I give you some examples of that. You can't consider yourself to be economically independent when you have to borrow to fix roads, when you have to borrow to pay teachers and nurses and policemen. You can't consider yourself to be economically viable and sustainable when you owe 141% of what you produce every year in debt. Meaning that if you take everything Jamaica produce and pay off the debt, you still owe 41%. You can't consider yourself to be independent. Well, today, our debt compared to what we produce is 68%. Meaning that if we take everything we produce this year and say we're going to pay off the debt, we can pay off the debt and still have